different angle. About like this. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah. One just in case.
То есть у тебя и в телефоне видно, что на камеру снимается, да? Синхронизировано. А, ну да, точно.
Yeah. Like this, like this. Like this. I'm gonna zoom out here, use the widest. Get the fence in the shot like this. Okay, let's get the doggy.
Я как раз готовлю, сделаю кий бильярдный.
Let's try and get some birds.
Да, но тебе проще.
No, I'm gonna try a crop. Some leading lines and go like this. Chick. We do a zoom shot as well. This is going to be an interesting shot because we have good foreground and something in the background. So you're going to see it in the picture. Let's take a chick. Very interesting. I'm going to walk back a little to get some extra elements in the shot. A little lower. Ooh. This should be good. Not sure what's gonna come out of this one, but I will try. Gotta go wider. Get the interesting zoom shot. Get some people playing soccer. Oh, very noisy here.